when there's a Salman Khan release, a big one for Eid, there's usually throngs of people at the cinemas. But with the COVID pandemic having hit hard, things have certainly changed, and now get accustomed to OTT releases. But this is not the end of the road, and this is not the future of cinemas. That is the consensus that we're getting from industry experts. We spoke with Komal Nahata, film trade analyst, as well as Karan Taurani of Elara Capital to understand the landscape of film releases, what the future is for multiplexes, and when we can see a revival kicking in. Well, we started off by asking Komal Nahata how he's looking at the overall landscape with Radhe being released, with Zee buying the rights for about 230 crore rupees, and now this being released on an OTT platform, what this means. And he said that the age-old habit of going to a cinema and watching a film, that is not going to be replaced by OTT releases. Yes, there's a disruption, but it's a short-term disruption due to the pandemic, and once things stabilize, it'll go back to normal and we'll actually see film releases, crowds of people, as well as collections like never before. He believes that the multiplex sector is definitely going to bounce back post the pandemic. Karan Taurani as well alluded to this, and he agreed, saying that large films will continue to drive footfalls in the cinemas in the long term, and that has been the trend and will continue to do so. He said that these simultaneous releases on the OTT platform and multiplexes, for now, it's not really going to impact the multiplex companies. Although, given that Radhe has sort of led the way, given that it's one of the big ticket films, we could see some more small or medium budget films as well go the OTT route in order to release, at least for some time now. In fact, both of them said that it's only on the 13th of May, once we see the reaction to this, we see the kind of numbers that we generate on an OTT platform, also what's going on with the vaccination, the curfew restrictions, etc., that will actually be able to take a call as to whether or not this is a long-term thing, and the future of the multiplexes depends on all of these restrictions and curfews. So he did say, Karan, that the cinemas will see a comeback, but that it'll take some time, but it'll be much faster than what we witnessed last year. The fact that liquidity issues are being addressed by funding for a lot of these cinemas is a big positive, and the ramp up in the vaccination drive is definitely going to drive or determine the recovery of the cinema sector. Komal Nahata also said that once Radhe has a multi-platform releases, yes, we may see other films follow suit, but this is not going to be a long-term trend. He said it does not make sense for production houses to really wait for only a cinematic release. You need to go to the OTT route, but multiplex companies are not in favor of a multi-platform release naturally, because it could be a long-term change in trend. It could hamper their revenues detrimentally. He says, though, a very interesting point, that if there are insufficient releases, national multiplex chains may not even choose to restart immediately. And Karan ended